Hello, this is Noreen from Joy of Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button. It's somewhere down there, and then click the little bell, and you'll be the first to be notified when my videos are released. So blah, blah, blah. Here we go. What I'm doing today is paper pumpkins. So this is it's September, so this is the September-October paper pumpkin. Of course, it's going to be a fall theme, and I've already kind of opened it, and there's a reason I'll get to in a minute. But of course, you get the little doohickeys in there, all your little adhesives. The color is Cajun Craze, and the stamps are like pumpkins and a witch's hat and Happy Halloween and all that good stuff. And what it is, it's treat boxes. So here are all the treat boxes, and of course you can also make cards. They have their alternatives on the back there, and then you've got some twine. And the reason why I kind of took it apart first is you get like a million of these little cutouts, and I literally sat there and watched TV and opened or took apart all the cutouts. So there's tags and little swirlies. I mean, there are so many, and I just put them in these little boxes so I can kind of control them. I mean, here they all are. It's like, wow, so many little boxes. So I'm going to make their little treat boxes, and then I'm going to do my alternatives. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. And here's what I came up with. Not only did I make their alternatives, I made my alternatives. And my big thinking with these boxes, and the reason why I love them so much, is because I'm going to take these boxes, and I think there's a way that we can save Halloween and still do trick-or-treating, and that is some social distancing trick-or-treating. So what I'm going to do is, we have a big spider net that hangs from one of our eaves down into the grass, and I'm going to hang these boxes because they're all filled with candy. I put candy in them, and I'm going to clip them onto the spider web, and I'm just going to be out there and just say, you know, when they say trick or treat, I'm going to say, go grab a treat off the spider web. So that's how I'm going to do that. Now, I did make alternatives. So let's go ahead and start with my alternatives. And what I did is I bought these bags from the dollar store, and I just made these little covers. So I used a lot of the paper pumpkin stuff here, and I'm using all kinds of different papers. I'm using Tis the Season. I am using the In Color. I am using Flowers for the Season, and this is really good, the Plaid Tidings. That was also nice. I'm also using Ornate Frames. Word Wishes has Happy Halloween. I'm also using Festive Post, Everything Essential, and Harvest Hellos. And I mean, the bags are just really awesome, and you can put, you know, candies in them, and I'm going to hang them off the spider web. And I mean, there's some just really, really cute things, and I think that that's the best way we can deal with Halloween this year. We don't have to have it go away. We can be smart and creative and just do, you know, something like this. Like I said, the dollar store, you get these bags, and you just use all your Halloween stuff and some purples and some oranges and blacks and browns and yellows, and you can really get some cool, and here's that ribbon that I used on this one, some really cool ones. Now this one I made a little too big. I found that the best size for it was a 4x3, and then I framed like this one. So, and I did a lot of them like that, but you can see how really creative and neat this is going to be for the kids. And you don't have to touch them, and they don't have to touch you. So if you want to go ahead and place an order, my website is in the description there, my direct Stampin' Up site. And you can place an order for these stamp sets and dies and get them before Halloween. And just make these bags, because they're really, I mean, they're super cute. And you can come up with so many ideas. I don't think, I might have two that might have been the same, but every single one of them, these seems to be just slightly different, or a lot different, as you can tell. So, I mean, this is how we can save Halloween. So that is my paper pumpkin alternatives, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'd be awesome. I also have a website, joyofcards.com, and that will do it for me. So thanks a lot. Bye.